Hey everyone, self-employed tax. Don't panic. I'm an idiot. This is how I do it, and I'm literally doing it a week before the end, and it can be done quite quickly with not too much stress. I'm gonna help now because I would appreciate this if I didn't know what I was doing. If as an idiot looking for stuff. ChatGPT is your friend here. You're going to be using that as a big part of it. So I sell on Shopify and Etsy. I have a business bank account, but I also use that business bank account for just random stuff. So that I shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do it, but you've done it. So what do? You get your business bank account. You download the whole data from the date, the 5th of April to the 6th of April in the next year for the tax year. The spreadsheet comes up like this. So then you can select all the data and filter by any column you want, which you can find out how to do on ChatGPT if you don't know how. It will tell you income, and then it will tell you your outgoings. If you're not sure what can be expensed, just ask ChatGPT. Food can't be, for instance. The other danger for me is I also use PayPal. Sometimes when I use PayPal, I use this bank account card to pay through PayPal. So if I did my income from PayPal and this bank account, there'd be things on there that are both. So it would double my income on those payments. Luckily, ChatGPT, you can upload your PayPal spreadsheet and your bank account spreadsheet, and then it'll make a new spreadsheet for you, taking the duplicates off or highlighting them at least for you to delete. Another problem is Amazon, when you download your spreadsheet when it comes up, Amazon, AliExpress, all of them, they just come up with numbers for what you've bought, not what they are. And you don't want to go through every single thing you've bought and match it yourself and be like, yep, that's an expense. Nope, that's some stuff I bought for myself. Or it might be an expense or whatever. So once again, using ChatGPT, it will tell you what to do. You go on eBay or an Amazon, you download all your order information. Then you upload this spreadsheet, which is your bank spreadsheet, and you upload the separate spreadsheet from Amazon and the separate spreadsheet from eBay, and it will cross-pollinate, so it will get the exact things you've bought, it will match it to the number, and then it will write it in a column of what it is, and it will categorize it for you in the correct category, and it will highlight it if it's like it doesn't think you can expense it, or if it's only a percentage. You can ask it to do all those things. One other thing you'll want to ask it is, once it's finished this master spreadsheet using the PayPal info, your bank account info, and cross-references your expenses, and it tells you how much you want it to figure out, say, how much income did I get, and then you can check on Etsy and you can check on Shopify or whatever, and you can type the date in and see how much you earn and see if it matches. If it doesn't match that, I don't know what to do then, ask ChatGPT. When you speak to ChatGPT about all this, say, I don't know what I'm doing, can you give me any advice as you go along? For instance, like, what can be used for capital gains assets? What can I do with vehicles? Like, I don't know anything about anything. So when you go through it, you can ask me questions about it, and that'll help loads. But anyway, I literally haven't done any bookkeeping or any accounting all year long, and I'll probably whack this out in a day, a week before the thing, and it will all be right and correct and spot on. And what's good with ChatGPT is you can say, be really safe on the expenses, what I'm allowed. So, you're not going to cause any flags in the system for HMRC. Then you just go on the website and you fill it all in with the data you've got from the spreadsheet. And if you're unsure, ask ChatGPT about, screenshot that question and say, what do I answer this in relation to the spreadsheet you made for me? It's easier than ever. So Making Tax Digital is coming in though soon if you earn over £20,000 gross. So that's different then, and this is for last minute people this year. I don't know why I'm making it really.